Are Samsung Pay and Samsung Wallet are the same? Are Samsung Wallet and Samsung Pay are the same? Samsung Pay and Samsung Wallet are closely related, but they are not exactly the same. Samsung Wallet is the newer, expanded version that combines Samsung Pay with other digital features. So, let's just talk about a few key differences. Samsung Pay focuses purely on mobile payments via NFC or MST systems. Lets you store debit, credit, and loyalty cards. Works mainly at retail checkout terminals. Whereas Samsung Wallet combines Samsung Pay with extra features, stores digital IDs, boarding passes, tickets, keys, and cryptocurrency access. Acts as a broader digital hub beyond just payments, integrated now into newer Galaxy devices as the default wallet app. So they work hand in hand, but they are not exactly the same thing.